All right.
Put a hole right about there, okay? No, wait, back up, Sean. 2 hands on the hammer here. Wait till I'm out of the way, and just knock where that little thing is. Try again. Is there a stud there?
No, it's just you.
Do another shot. Try again. Right
That was
there.
a good one.
Right where we were before. No, it's good. Oh, wait.
Hard hits.
Keep that. Let me see real quick. Yeah. Hit it there. Hit it. There you go.
All
You
right.
got through. You broke on through to the other side. You're Jim Morrison. Nice.
To the other side.
Okay, let's let Shawnee have a turn.
I broke through a wall.
You did it.
You all right?
I think I'm better hold your flower.
Let me sit over a little bit this way.
I want you to go
Here's your
right.
flower.
I got you.
Let's
Let's
Okay.
go right.
Yeah, just let Shawnee have a
Right
turn.
up there, okay?
This is, all right.
Bang right.